Hello everyone. Today I wanted to take time and set up my next few weeks in my Alicia Souza planner. As you know that I love to plan for the weeks ahead, and I don't know whether this month is going to be easy or difficult for me. So this was my last week, and I want to on the same lines decorate my next couple of weeks as well. This week, setting up this week is going to be super easy as this is the Republic Day week, and I'm super excited to use my tall elephant sticker book here. But having said that, I have no plans as of now for the week of 8th and the week of 15th. So let's figure out. Um, Today what I'm intending to do is going into my antiquarian sticker book and figuring out if I can do something from one of the spreads from this and take inspiration from here. Actually, on second thoughts, I think recreating this spread also is very exciting. Let's see. I remember seeing something on the similar lines. Oh, I think that's a brilliant idea. Oh yeah, so this one. Will it be a little too big? Let me take this out. Wow, this is a huge sticker. Oh, but it looks really nice. Wow, this is looking so pretty. Let me use this one as well. See, I had no plans, but the antiquarian sticker book is so inspiring. I'm just going to cover this because this is more antique looking and this is more contemporary. So I'm just going to cover this. Wow, this is looking so pretty. And let's see if I can add a few more. Oh, I think these two also look really good. Wow, I just have all the inspiration on one page. So I think good to go. And I'm going to take this one as well. Wow, this is super quick than I'd expected. That's why I love the antiquarian books. Yeah, I think that's it. I think this much is the space I'll require to write anyways. So I think this is a beautiful spread. I love how this turned out. Now for the week of 15th, let me turn to my antiquarian sticker book for inspiration and see what comes up. I don't want to do anything morbid. Oh, let's do mushrooms. Let's do mushrooms. I'll take this one. And this artwork really goes with the mushroom, so I'm not going to cover that up. I'm going to take one other large mushroom for this page. I don't have too much to write on Mondays, and that is the reason I don't mind covering up Mondays because this book essentially is meant for my YouTube and my gratitude. And on Mondays, it's a conscious call that I don't work on my YouTube channel and I dedicate Mondays to just my work. This doesn't look that great. Okay, I think this looks pretty. Let me take a smaller one. I think that's it. This much space is something that I will need to write down. So this was my first spread. I didn't expect this to be so fast. This is the advantage of a good sticker book. You just don't need too much inspiration. If you open the sticker book, you will find the inspiration. This is looking so pretty. This is by far my favorite spread. Wow, even this is very pretty. Let's set up the page for the 26th, the week of 26th. I'm going to dig into my tall elephant sticker book and see what stickers do we have for the 26th for the Republic Day. So first let me mark the Republic Day. And then I will put up a few flags of India. I have a lot of space here, so I love this swirl of a flag. Wow, this looks really pretty here. And I love this particular sticker which says a big salute to Indian Army. So I'm just going to find a way to stick it. And I will put a Jai Hind picture right here. And then I have a Happy Republic Day picture which can go here. So I think that is it. That is how I want to decorate my 22nd week of 22nd. Let's try to look into one of our sticker books. I think I'm going to go back either antiquarian sticker book or the botanist sticker book. Let me go to the botanist sticker book. Wow, this is so pretty. Do you want to do a desert theme? It's not the season. Let's do something vintage. Oh, this can be a center. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's take this flower. Wow, this flower can be in the center of everything. This is so pretty. It blends in. Let me take from the same family a few more color themed flowers or fauna. I'm not sure if to call them flowers, but and a few of these flies, dragonflies, also look very pretty for me to decorate. I'm going to take even this one. I think that's it. I think this is a very quick setup, quicker than I'd expected it to be. This was my first week of January. This will be my second week of January. This is third week of January. I think the mushrooms are growing on me. I love this as well. This is my fourth week of January, dedicated to 26th of January, which is Republic Day. And then this is a very simple last week of January. I absolutely love this. And I'm so happy how this turned out to be. I think that is it. I expected this video to be way longer and way struggleful for me finding stickers, but I guess when the inspiration strikes, it just strikes. I'm sorry if this video was too short, but I guess I'm really happy with my spreads that turned out to be in January. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye now.